This is an instructional video on how to take apart a Xbox 360 messenger pad. Okay, there are 4 screws. One right here, and 2 right here. I have no idea what size it is, but I use a Torx something. You just pop it open, sort of push down right here, and then pull up on this side, but wait, just make sure you don't cut yourself on that. Very sharp point. I cut myself twice already on that. Same idea with the other side, and then just sort of, there you go, then rip, sort of open it up, just rip it open, see? Detach the wire, sort of pull it out, take this thing off, you just go with the flat screwdriver, just pop these 2 little parts in there, pops off this metal piece. Just make sure you don't lose any of the pieces. Stack them all up somewhere. Maybe get a bowl. Alright, that's one side. Nothing else left on it. This, you're going to need a very small screwdriver. There's 5 screws. Just unscrew in this corner. One in the center. All you gotta do is push to the top. One on the right side, one on the left side. Pops right through. It'll be a bit harder than that because I've already done it and it's sort of sticky when you do it the first time. To get this apart, you just pull it on that side, pull it on this side. One piece done. Then you just, if you want to take this off, you don't have to, but that's pretty much it. If you want to take it off, you just lift it up. Be careful, there's stickers underneath them. And to put it back together is another video.